this is the problem statement. You are given a positive integer n, return the smallest number x which is greater than or equal to n such that the binary representation of x contains only set bits. So for 5, the output is 7 which is 8 minus 1. For 10, the output is 15 which is 16 minus 1. For 3, it is 3 itself because it is 4 minus 1, right? So what is happening is, since we need all the like bit set, those numbers are of the form 1 1 1 1. So if only one bit was set, this is equals to 1. If this is the binary encoding, then this is 3. If this is the binary encoding, then this is 7, and so on, right? So we need numbers of the form 2 to the power of x minus 1 as answer. So what is basically happening is we just need to find the power of 2 which is greater than n, and you can return this number basically minus 1. So if n is 1, then we can return 1 only because 1 also has 1 bit, right? Then we say x is equals to 1 while x is less than or equals to n, I guess. We keep on doubling it, then we return x minus 1. So let's try to run this. As you can see, we are passing the sample test cases, right? So let's try to submit. As you can see, we have passed all the test cases. So thanks for watching.